So please do me one favor. Share this program and tag Yaramo Ketabola. Tag Yaramo data tonana bon Ketabola. Tag him from me. Before we proceed, because let me re-show that his video. Because
Njaka, Ogechi Njaka, call all your men and the people you depend and you believe on. Ogechi Njaka.
Because help on them now, Shana, do that. I will not come back to the second time. Because just help me and share the video. I don't know what they saw in this my page. I don't understand. Because help them now, share and click love and like. Because help on them share the video. Because tag alaman ketabola. Tag alamo agent kokon bola. Tag aramia because very important. Tag aramia, please. I hope my videos are still there because all the very important. Tag it for me.
The war has begun. You have been summoned for what you request for. Sickness that will bring you down. Any man that sleep with you. Sickness, accident, in no distant time. No one can redeem you from this. Ogechi Njaka, shed war lights of the Moses, crossers of the hills, paid mandants of request, tabernacle summon of the altar. Ogechi Njaka, you have requests. Your request for destruction has been granted. For whoever that comes, but whoever that shall be interferer, he has already passed through the message. Calamity, affliction, sickness, accident brings you down to the book. For you have requests. No one can stand on this world.
I don't know whether he blocked. I don't know whether he blocked me. I'm trying to get to his page. I don't know why I can't see him. I think I block him. Keda have full page aha. Kwa nketa bola. Yeah. Nketa bola, right? Nketa bola again. That's the man. I want to be earning it from his page. Keza had that page, yeah. Just, Mom, I'm trying to search him, but I can't see it. Can I have page, yeah, Biko? Can I have page, yeah, please? Because that's why me play a video now before I do remember him. Oh, FG something. FG again. Kitabon. FG Guinea also. Oh, FJ. Okay, yeah, FJ King. Oh, yeah. Yes, FJ King. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Are you crazy? Who started?
I really wanted to watch the video of my those small nonsense. Understand that the battle is my spiritual father is really
okay,
my spiritual. Okay. In no distant time. Okay. Njaka. Said warlocks of the Moses, Gozels of the East, hail mountains of request, tabernacle summon of the altar. Oge Njaka, you have requests. Your request for destruction has been granted. For whoever that comes, that shall be interferer, he has already passed through the message. Calamity, affliction, sickness, accident brings you down to the book. For you have requests. No one can stand on this world. Oge Njaka, any interferer follows for the consequence. For you have requests, and so shall the cause be upon you. Calamity, sickness, accident.
Now, nkita bola. Atono bola. Listen to me. I want you to mark today's date. Just go and write it down. That the worst mistake he made, this rubbish you played. I saw Nkimere Basara Mbaka. I don't want to put mouth there. That is not the topic. If you want to use that one to start confusing yourself, I don't even want to put mouth there. Now, let me tell you one thing you should understand. When this thing, Imene, that would the biggest pain in your body. Or that would the biggest pain in your life. In your next word. In your next entire word. They put a Facebook. In Ogechi Gabalaga. First and foremost, Iga Begwando why you deport Woge from South Africa. Iga Begwando the reason you got South Africa got be a fake money. Iga ga Gwande Nigeria. The reason why you got there got be a fake money that got you arrested. A tiginanga Gaga jail for how many years? What I go? So Yawuru mo guga in a bo or the very effective. Ima Igbo get this or guchen oga mention the South Africa. Sorry, Nde Dubai. Sorry for mentioning South Africa. Nde Dubai. Ima Igbo get this or man share na bo. Chen oga mention the Dubai anya. Ha get deport oge. The man she get disappointed agi. Egite get toro get to neginanga. Geru nanga atotorugi destroy your life. Ono mani hane mumu woke garanga. Atotorugi destroy ya get son de all you help me. So Obuga did not shadow band or cover people's eyes. Ha hurogi bi buru ogwa. Mbega game fake. Mbega game fake money. Egitegi, it didn't cover their eyes that this Shambo you are mentioning. Gaga Changa, the same old guy in our bo, the same old man she. Do you know why? I told me Bubeti here was Sarambaka. No, this thing, OMG, I try to avoid that side. Come face it again and again. Because that thing no get them. You want to go? Oh, Gugana. Mbega Chananga. Vogo 20 feet of Moses, blah 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 blah. You did not black assad them. Can I pity port, okay? They did not shadow band in the Dubai. This is not my visa. It's someone else's visa. Please do me a favor, cover their eyes. Joe Brown Rogi. Before happy disappointed. Before happy deport, okay? Game mecha brakata ba eburugi tu batagi na Nigeria. The same ogun emehu va nyege ego gaba no nweguru. Alright, Otilo Singapore. The same ogun ina evoke ko bia buo nnegi buo nnagi ko bia buo mu nnegi. The same ogun nkita bola the same ogu emerogi gaba no nweguru. The same ogu emerogi ke ya pe na ga impulse nde madu na ebia 100,000 that you cannot pay back. The same ogu azorogi na kande police Dubai igara nanga. The same ogu azorogi ihe mataziri na wu ibiagare Nigeria na achonyi ga ebi ego. You are still living a fake life. The same way safe hugi ga happen in aga ihunde mmadu ga cover hugi. The same way pinye hugi ego. You see how you have brought yourself to doom. Ile chame big baba ya gwuru n'aka m. Ile chame place ga baba for a rescue. Ibia me abrakata apa ya gwuru n'aka m. Imagine the height of disgrace you have given to your worthless self. Imagine how hopeless. So okunini na agwa ije church ki ijere gari wa biko buko na ticket. I want to travel. You still want to be living a fake life. The same ogwe me who that ndenu kupunu that rejected you did not accept you back. Eh? Look at your life. Look at how you reduce yourself to nothing. Look at your raggedy ass useless life. How you brought yourself to doom. Imagine your life. Your mother is gone. Any female children, you're gone. Dubai, they are gone. Let me even block you. Go and advise your mother. Get the fuck out of here. Eh? Get the fuck out of here. Come on, sing that for you. You want a family problem, my baby solve for you. I got your advice. Your family problem, no guy na bugi. It's solved for you. I got your advice. You want yara? Are you mad? You want a big family problem that is disturbing you morning, afternoon, night. Ijabe just solve for you. Ijabe jenye family problem got advice. Ya would get chicken better advice online. You have millions of problems. You can't even solve it. Get what I here. Iberi in your sugar advice. Come on, shinga for you so. So, I go one kitanaka, on kitabola, come kitanerish. Kitanerish. So, oh, Buge music in that hip put how many years ago? Flavor did not sign you. Oh, Boogie did not lead you to Flavor. Didn't lead you to Donka Mighty. Did not lead you to E Square or P Square. It did not lead you to all these top people. You just got that 100. Obuga did not lead you anywhere. Even I pity you. If your Obu can reject you to be this useless, what else will accept you? In a bogu, in a church, in a you see what a useless life mereki. If a bena korum 100 pass and paseko up for how many women? Yeah? With your low budget of sound, very good sound music, no longer. Even Bluetooth they use na that and how retire rejected body. Look at you. Every day gay man. Every day gay you putarani. So all this 7 book of Moses did not Mose you or did not 7 book Mose you to stop going into people's impulse, begging them 100,000 and you refuse to pay. Look at how useless you are. You become a borrower there. Gagan and Kempaka, you become a borrower. Gagan and Kentumejo, you become a borrower. The good Kaunu. Wait, let me show you. Can show how this useless set of Uzus that constitute nuisance on social media. Can you show where they Chere? Guys, because I click him love and share, because if you don't share the one, I will not return again because Facebook is full of Nsobu. Chere? Ashi, okay, put your before my sag. Let me go to your picture. Before I get pity, the neighbors of pity ogi. Chere? Hold on. Let me go to your picture. Kaimana onye get pity be now. Chere? Oh, you have a fake account. Anyway, you don't deserve to be here. You have a fake account, chere? Oh, fake account. Oh yeah. Otila. Be with the original account. Gabe ma ge open.
Everybody want account number. Everybody want personal account number. Everybody that they was in a church, they with now the next. Now going to be million. Everybody that have an account to less privilege.
You see how useless you are. See how useless you see how begging, how useless you have become. Here, when you na church. Look at somebody where they go to church. They carry their conde. Tell me, say, okay, I go do. Look at you. Look at the kishimo we rag to every corner, every lip and corner. The good kid, beg. Oh, the good one, ex-convicts. We are belly facing. You get a baller. The good one ato. Look at how useless three of you guys are. The good kudu, the good kaono, three of jobless, hopeless men. The good kunu need. The kunudi. Ndo saya. Ndo socrafish. See una. The good the fact, the good is the worst thing you make. The good in a gay bag, you get 1 naira, 2 naira. Hey, Mbaka is my spiritual father. Guyano and came back again. You don't cast. You don't cast that corner. On and get to major. Oh, not to major go to no for man. Gababan and K, I am apa. Woo, Gane again. Gababa and get. Give them poor cash in die in a major paint. I'm a be with the hand. You want to go? First, look at your life. Look at your life for day. Everywhere. That is shiari. Ne shiari. What do you mean? Ne shiari can get an acheban no shion. Look at your wasted life. I go get a baller. So this abrakata breakan in where you negebu one in an life. All these thousands of women you in when as girlfriend, all this your brakataba could not help you. You keep going from one room, Egan and Kennedy be a time. You go and fetch and smith. Gaba each style of Bakwaza on the wall. When Egypt, because the same way Egypt Batana Zayonoka, the same way Jepa Puji Bata, Keba Doroshake, Keba Diego. Gaba Teba. Hello. Oh yeah. Come let me real accounts. Cause I'm like you deal with in the real account. And I'm like it. Cause the real accounts come like you deal with. Wait, make I show you. Every day get you. Where is that real account? They no condition. Legal condition this guy. The worst thing, look at the condition this man. Just look at condition of this tunnel. The condition here. I want you legally see. Oga. Sorry. Shirokoko. Listen to me. Your condition Agbola gave everything in where you came where got you ego. Gabambo. Kahape chopogi, ebengin and do to your mate in a rindi. Gabambo. It's not this gossip now where you want gossip. Your own shame is supposed to be pity your generation, not even only you. You're supposed to sit down and know that you no get can actually he can take the kuterente. Look, the good your sorry, confused life. The good again. No one no blue passport. Grad school name overseas figures. Name even close to getting to overseas figures in a year. Kine with it on. Look at the good again. Just shake condition no more. I dey shame for my condition. Got you go and fetch your money. Got you go. All this your empty ego no go take you anywhere. Your condition is worse than anything you can ever imagine. Gimeche lu nwoke akpata ha ego. Ibidara gị. Ịma na arị ego ibi. Ekwe akwara mante ka ga-emefuga. Yana bande this nkịta gbola. Ibi adana ya o. Yini ni uro na-esusu. Na guy everywhere because of ibidara ya. It's over. Agbara m ya. When your fellow age mates na chuego to that time. Esusu no ri. Because if you fall their hands, if I got felegi. Father, go to go change your plank ko again in all no. Catch we put sticker no go help you. Got you ego. Got you ego. Don't make money. Let be super. If the condition is worse than your comments, go and fetch money. You no get ready na hold it too much. Okay? You're not gonna hold. Okay, the caution. Madam, have shame for once. Behave like a woman. Look at you. Are you behaving like a man? Out of your age, especially white, your generational poverty. You're not behaving. You're not behaving out of your age. You're not especially white, your destructive poverty lifestyle away from your destiny. But because of your gossip, you begin to go on social media now. A big she a woman, you a man. A woman, nigga, to make I cannot even hire you where I kept you. I cannot even hire you. Oh, a woman, she make represent yourself. Even to differentiate your learn to give. They ban to get it. Nobody go block you. Now you go just take block yourself. You go there here. But so one thing he get men on wegi. One thing he get men on wegi is to go and start. To them baragia. Ashe go and start fetching from your life. First and foremost, to visa China. Where bele face gasuru. Look for China visa. From China visa, Ghana. From Ghana, ga chose another country. Panuri gaga. When the first travel, where bele face travel was Dubai. From Dubai, now ya got China. From China now, ya bapa Ghana. From Ghana now, makome poso gaga. So Balia kishiba hugama okrikri ontige ruebam no. Mbi ruebam no. Gango odwa kata. Sai otula kata miri no cho visa. Sorry, cho green card. He took a green card when he can akata nyemi chegi ayana gia back. You have to suffer inside the wakata. But then you struggle, go to work under minimum wage. Before, no, nobody's to tell me to ignore them. I'm gonna know they tell them like that. Because, image like that, Gaga Trapopo, it's your Trapopo when it get 10 to 20 years. It's your Tahoda, Ghana here without no paper. But now, oh God, Egypt is the second. From Egypt to Yaga China, from China, Yaga Ghana. You want to go? Ikacha buru maburu. Akata wori kechopogi on that snow. Eshishira yamma. You want to go? But then you return. Before God ben wonu kure muka. You want to go? Before God ben wonu with remuka. The day I become a citizen. But then God ben gave me work, exchange of works and I blew up. Iga with you to Nero, Muna Nigeria, Nero, the highest travel, Uno Shigana, Una Bono Rando from China, Una Gaga Dubai, Dubai, it's easiest way. Una Gara Dubai. I should have this Virgin passport, this Virgin passport, American Shelly came. Now, Nkitabola. Now listen to me. Before you become relevant again, how to say you say I get children here, they have they are living by themselves. I bought house, so they are living here where I bought house. Even with the children here, can't they fight for soon okay like you that is already in the caskets? Even should be the house you bought in America with your big mouth, where they reach inside your pockets. Get a baller. Even with the children that lives in America, that lives in their own house, not even in apartments. Nketa bola Ghana na ari ego. Ghana wanye ego wanye shige kwa you get threat in my Inwere imagine here. Umuga have here that they cannot bring your poverty wretched fake life back to America. Umuga ohama hu that in atafufu. Ohama that you're squatting in a Joe Legbe called Joe Legba na Lagos. Face me and face you. Blue and black. Something is wrong with their useless dumb father. That is about time they help Umpaha. Nampana gazi from Yashina Dibe Efebana Church. Ona Chozebe, there is power in helping him. Oh boy, that Umpaya the more confused than ever. That paint Umpaya na ware na Umpaya with a bottle na Yabaya paint. I am dedicating you. This is mine. That oruma shawonine. Yana Hanabe Kurugogele. You are good. He knows now to look for sugar mommy. Now share them in this program in case you were part of sugar mommy. Oh, when you many, you are not the only one. Him and now sugar mommy because all the last bus stop name. Una chong dancing there, beg. Dancy, lawani who them man one so them man in the middle. Oh no. Gachon dancing shakri. Get out of to self. Can I shake like this? Man equal but I get and may enjoy. Also bilandre now. I was trying to page so people think I'm just making this up. Haga my be and this up now. Wait, make I go to your page. Chere? Where is that your useless page? Hey, I'm a block room, but let me go to another page here. Another page. Can your recent situation now? Chere? The pan go entry, the quay born entry now. The one dance here and here go deceive her. Here go deceive her. The buyer. Let me shift this place. Idiot. The bank. Look at the car. The car. Oh, can't kita. Ogaza king, Ogaza reverend, Ogaza daddy, Ogaza papa, Ogaza onye, Kuma megida na megido, Ogaga chuma megida. Very useless empty man. He got chacha, oh hanina. And when the baby landra, mam cook na apo, a mam we fere ozutara. Gawure painty, a mam gawure painty, blue, red, that painty, and all golden gene. When the bush is to take for a biadonia neka ishi. If himself, I'll go here and a dollar store, me bad dollar like this. This in an $1. Buy one and get extra two. This cheap sample age mark Disney. I give them sorry, I want a Disney code na Disney. Give them a hana chocolate cheese or everywhere. I got one name a bad day. You want game one, you know what I'm saying. Game one, I get to where Ruben is your motor. All we honor, so yaga buy, mammy honor buyer. Why I henny on a buyer, but I have been a susu here. Label and the up. Your
Excellency, the white lady, and I say on behalf of we have a product called AU.
Shut up, oh she criminal.
That means they are first class and VVIP.
God deceive I know sir, I'm not go school, but at least I took a quarter of help here. Or should not VIP. Everything is about Okan Hanebu and Keta. Nketa Bola, Okan Hanebu and Keta. Look at you. Let me play voice. Just cool on down. Na shianu ya ufondanti bebe boge gitozo biale kwe be life ya na Andrea umwa that's ibu ndeke safu anama kama ibu ganada yanada lenu ha here awe back we say be final destination ya mama kama ibu ganada potompo yanada awe bo Andrea.
I said, let me give her one of the lottery products we have because we are about lottery.
Daniel, about lottery. Umushi criminal ujinde mado wacho hega kwa hakwo. Criminal jinde mado ugo mbagindo jugo hakacha. I'm just showing na shenketi ndo jugo biaru here. Kanyina aboya. Can people matter how disgraceful and how poor and how zero you are? Na share. I'm just share video yana on my page. Na page mu, eh? Oh my God. Chere mumu. At they come. We are on something. Ah. You want to go? They here.
So I say white bianco.
Le
Based on logistics, so
le bonus in see where in there. Le bubo ba prana.
I appreciate your people and your principles.
Le quick. Woo! We Johnny stop there. The boy see them. Ngaka Johnny Andrea. Away. The boy na kuya. The boy na kuya. See, the boy see the boy. End of this life. Ngaka obri. Yabe ponyara fro ohuro turula ya na ishi. Yabe ponyara fro ohuro turula ya na ishi. See, the Bible life here in Adriana. Woo! The bell ya no. Ah. Woo! The Bible in Adriana. You don't end your life destination. Woo! You don't see him. Ngaki endre. Ndala na gwa at this age. You want to see him many. Woo! Nah. The banki endre na. Woo! I told you. Woo! The bahan. Woo! Don't end. Ah, pero na niya. Ana jahene ushanga ko endre na. Le ni ano no? Le yan. Oh! Mbombo. Ulonyara. Woo! Dog. Don't be ponya. I had the pen. The pen. Don't be ponya. There. Let leave your I know here. And when you pass one, the pen. The pen. Woo! Don't finish. And I'll tell you. Guys, now share this video. I know my reason. They don't take I say pain. I want their pain. Nkita bola. You don't get ended. You see where you have ended. You don't get banana. When I'm story, when I'm gonna life gala. I be governor, I be president, I be king, I be governor, I be mountain. When get entry up. At the last destination of the day you join your ancestors. You see your end of discussion. You don't get draw like a daughter again. Group of antique beg. Anyone will agree. Hold on. Oh, this page is not meant for everybody. Oh yeah, Otido. You want to go? Ihunanga Go. I am the AG. I am the 4G. I am the play. I am the mama. Your life will end. You see where go and the was in a wo ipan many. Ganonye ka 100,000 ta. Ganonye ka 300,000 each. This is how you are surviving now. Because I see this now, you don't get job. You are jobless. You begin to go bodo yibo. Men and man he can he can. Haburu ego far but in case of any problem, any signal. How do me invest nego ke bata. But again, you quick in na ni umwa shawoni ni unde gbe. Man you fina no koko. It's too late to cry. You okay go. All this your amangamanga ended in umwa shawo. There wasn't or that shawo they one day Wadarayala, a rebag, a minarebaga, potasso, bonia, onganki, and drizzy. Look at your life. You with Ronyono. When you when on America, when the boy, when it's so tall, when this, we have goals, Megaga Domaka. Call on my money is 300,000. I will bring you beautiful gown. Bring you beautiful gown. That when you cash and carry. You don't cast. I am the last person in the draw this battle line. He draw out. I got my dogagi until I baragano. I got my dogagi. I got my sugagi until I bar. If that's your abara no work, I'm not gonna leave you. Like, look at your life. Look at it. I am the king. I am the ambassador. I am the governor. This is how you damage this empty brain. Give damage. Any woman you are they responsible. You cannot tap into these useless people. You cannot tap into their lives. Koga. Ganek. Amash. Faden. Okokoko. Papa. And when no go to la. Give me potula ba. Yana predico to la J pipe. Papa. Mini akash. It was soon. Then Ugubu naturally can mention. They mention on mission Enugu. They don't even want me to mention that issue at all. Useless set of people. I'm working with around in a day. Rest in peace in issue. Oh, one negi or one nage. Or woman negi in a dress in peace issue. Ashima Mado Hamabuegi. Ashim here meregi poverty mekwa agi meki. If you know ya mumu ba he may be to what it affects. Look at you. A man no one at the end of the panel. Yeah, and they're all putting down to beg. Manashi, those women at Babolo Bakayano. Look at them, look at how you gather, look at even gather with here and a mama beach that with a paint here in our wire. Mama beach with a paint here in our wire. You were a gaba, you know, Patane, when they can a rest in peace in issue. Eh? You would be bono, mamma, beje, yende as, I make pain. Get what you chan, what rubbish, buy an elu. They're not English, give what it was, get what it plus, get yan ine. Who's school kiga? Or we go get batara. Ian will go back to Dubai. Again, your ladies cannot go there again. Dubai, people in a jacket deport where. Dubai, people in a jacket deport where. Government deport organize. Iman haru, the failure. Oh, but the people gonna get like this here, Brumbongo Hala. You know, like you when you're not getting in America, say, oh, you can't America Bolam. no matter how bad it is, that person still have hope. Unless okay, I'll retirement, some wage I'll no Buddha. Dubai, people in Jaka also can to tell you that Kegala, Ganuna Bebamusage would they get land there at the end of your panel, at the end of your destination. When I'm galandrege, oh, when you know with Ogechi on, you know with Remonu. Yeah? Oh, I've been with Remon. And I'm about TikTok because Abraham TikTok, me make a report on my page. Okay, I'm more because of picture mission that day. I'm more picture when he call picture mission that day. I mean, when he call her. Okay, all picture mission. TikTok too much reason. Because I break a lot of rules. Too much rules on my TikTok because my Facebook accommodates me a lot. The what I go bang on one time I report for like 7 days in that time. Mbu sagam ga there because TikTok are. But I'm gonna go there. Make una they chop the money. I don't want them. The what I go Facebook accommodates a lot. I prefer Facebook than any other their platform. Because call Igbo who are choge, call Igbo and report to Oga. Chomone get. You what I go? So every time Gaga huna nke Zion, Gaga na nke Mbaka, Gaga huna nke Mbaka, Gaga na nke nde dibia, Gaga na nke nde bidibia, Gaga na nke nde ihe. Eh? Who is this? Let me block you. Oh yeah, F off. Aga me many nigga apology. That rotten garo oge booze or buo generation okay. Ne? Oge booze when sugodi generation okay. Chineka akpo ogoku. Unya and aga me many negi or many naga apology. Look at your life. Get banana Zion. Look at a greed in Zion. Look at how much money you did and deep ego. Look at how much money you did. Got a connection. Look at how you are borrowing, begging ticket from money I will pay back. Please, the book for me I will pay back. Equal those money you borrowed. Onya who get your when pass it. Guys, if I'm not on voice note, what's this? Idiot one. Galento what I want no brilego. Come on 100,000. Wo boy a war problem. Wo no bo osu in a bottle one year ago. No bo ya war problem. You don't want to pay again. Ubo, Date. Kebe am voice note ebo ndo o brile ego kwa cho hempu. Ozu.
Okay. No problem. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. I've seen it. Okay.
Yeah, we born ekele. No, oya. Otilo, Singapore. Yeah, we born ekele mbe send ego. Yeah, born ekele. Thank you very much. I have seen the money that the young lady sent to you. You was in his inbox. You begged and begged and begged for months. You begged this young lady, begged that he wouldn't care. Nah, yeah, the money you begged, we need to help the most.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I've seen it. Okay. No problem. Thank you.
No, beggar.
Alright, thank you very much. I've seen the account, I'll do it in the morning. Evening. Yeah, hello, my dear. Good afternoon. Sorry about the delay.
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Aquamona chego. No shit.
really need to round up some certain things.
The Bamba I'm 100,000 oh. The Bamba I'm this criminal. These are my husband, sorry, my children. My children that lives in America, they live in their own houses. I own God. I own mansions. It's impossible begging for common 100,000 from a woman. Oh, from a woman. Nkita borio grinaka. Nkita bo one shanaka. 100,000 could be the long story. Tell many people. Asem gị na m ji ọgwụ gị aga m agbacha gị dị ọgwụ gbawa gị anya aga m agbacha gị dị ọgwụ ị ga-aga kwụgbagodo ụgwọ tiketi ndị kere godo ọnụ 700 500,000 nke ogodi 100,000 ekwube ya ndala ịbara ịpụta bịa sị aga-eke ngata onye ka ị na-arịla asịrị na n'oche akpịrị gị ahụ kpagbuga gịnị na face me and face you onye ka ị na-arịla asịrị na that's your empty seat akpịrị kpagbuga gị na pare relaxere nga hiti na apia gị gwewere mgbomgbo dịka onye ara nọ n'ahịa Owerri paintie your house gị bega nọrọ one corner nọrọ akpịrị akpagbu gị gabinyo onye ka ịbara inye warning me ka ịbara inye warning or ịbara ime gị na onye ka who the fuck who brought you into him na onye na-akpọ ntụ n'ike na-eme but then collect okay ọdụnwa wube iso akpọ ntụ. Did I accuse you or did I go on a conversation on the phone? Did I mention your raggedy ass deportee life? Did I mention your deportee hungry begging from Dibia to church? Hungry idiot na coffee hugi. How many people picture you in Agaga hugi cover? Because you have used fake life to scatter your brain. I got G-God. I got Mercedes. I got Dolph. This is the BMW. Just get me who now like a bike. Eh? Oh yeah. Otila. Zero. I was showing negi. Negi get boost or Jema apologize to whom working in Opela STD before I will apologize to negi. Come on, fuck off from this idiotic platform also. Onyara. Eh? Omu akega big konono. Father Ephraim, well, let me say 2 days come near the J-Pack matter, will bring it back. And when this in Bakate no butra no go for if itself. I told my home peace with J-Pack. I don't want peace again. I told my home, Reverend Ephraim, I don't want again. I told my home peace with J-Pack. Choma homo oge push of them video clear fire that's rubbish in back and habu pitere. I don't want peace anymore. I told him peace. I told my homo nobody should call me again for anything peace. These idiots coming here to talk rubbish about Umbaka. I have nothing to do. I told my homo I don't want anymore. Nobody should call me. I will focus on J-Pack and J-Pack. I will not leave J-Pack. Next time, they will learn how to not to lie and carry false narrative. Put here. Because 2 days. In fact, I told my home that peace. I don't need the peace talk anymore.
Hello, my dear. Good afternoon. Sorry about the delay. Because when you want something that I'm sort of
something that put again a common 100,000 Ibrili. Something that put again na common 100,000 Ibrili. Something that put again. Criminal, thief. And I got impulse criminal. Doshin, thief. I'm working at Amagana. My children, do you know I have 2 children in America? You get one in Canada. You get one in Germany. Get more try move on. Emo try move on. Because he was spam donor. Ne donate after all. Abraham, Solomon, many. So continue to deposit your spam. Continue to be a spam donor. Continue. But emo cha enwe keda monye wo. because he were free. He will inherit in the Enugu states. He will just a fool. Tomorrow, guys, I began for J Park. Tomorrow, J Park, get ready. Tomorrow, get on line again. I can make pay unia. Now be corum rubbish.
I really need to round off some certain things. I need to
I want you now put on net on 100,000. Getting to 1 year. Obri like this young lady go. Getting to 1 year. I want you now. I'm the G. I'm the Rolex G. I'm the gold medal. I'm the foundation rider. Oh yeah, one year.
To be able to fix the agreement on Tuesday. You know what I was.
Okay. Oh yeah. What's it done? Talk about him back here, my block walking. Comment him back, I block you. Comment today. Even I question me send the guys because here wo the payment slip. Ejire kwaya do wo chere. Chema tag ya the payment slip ya ke na ho ya. Hold on. Ka do kwa mother na to ashi. Ga kwa this person ibri lego. Hold on. You got Corella this morning. No shame. Scammer. Thief. Must pay this money. Put out your comment here. Mbaka, you are gone. Go apologize to Mbaka. Ma penyoge. Mbaka this. Ma penyoge. Mbaka that. Ma penyoge. Any comment Mbaka, you are gone. Ime payment back man drag. The payment on your Jacola yobo. Bien, nkita bola. Go and pay this money. Go and pay this money back. And now beginning to ring a bell on your ego. On your ego. Pay on ya. So igwe bola Jeffu. So chuku gene. Cause saga here. Onyoshi. Don't pay Mohammed. Sana mo ugbo jekwu oya ugbo Chineke akpo ogoku jekwu ugbo iji ambato ha magbu maka a lot of people we are calling me oge biko ihe masara mbaka bankete biko but as far as J Park na Ebonyi son bring this thing, two of them again would on akamu lie so anybody biashing oge biko and that oge apota the bunk on a video and old video. Unu chola piece, unu ebe problem sha bega. Una best na chop piece in a half corner. It's not gonna work.
Sorry about that. It's not.
You know?
They send me your account.
There ya. Iya umbe. Oju ugbo no ugbo. Oya matu oya. Sorry. Amboju but top na social media na shige dan ganga ya wuku ji ejiwo ga kwa ugwo gi. You must pay back this money. I ga kwa ugwa na ukwara agbachiela go olu ikwuola ka onye nwuru anwu say putaga na ekoga go and pay Mohammed ego ya o Oshogen. Who is that? Chere chima block oya F off she apo Fanga.
Well, I want to pay your money for what? No, I don't do that. No,
get on say about the cook but the guy now she pay me my money.
Sorry about that. It's not. They send me your account. There's no way I want to pay your money for what? No, I don't do that. No, I don't do that. That is not good. I don't do it. Anything that is not good, I don't do it. Bible says that love covered multitude of sins. Do you think I ignore your calls? I don't. That does not make me a bad person. You know why? God in heaven knows that I love you deeply from my heart.
Hey! Ogaga body. Now money you borrow, no they love. They don't need your love. They need their money back. Go pay your money. You cannot sugarcoat this person. Only otherwise. You get brain. All this mouth you got na Dubai, Sunday Madish. Hello, you can't sugarcoat anybody. You cannot go Bible. Say Bible so unegi. Get broom madu bia donya who rest in peace. Bible prugene. What's a Bible got to do with Ogechi? You got go. You go pay or you go pay. Go chineka go go ga boge. Onyoshi.
100,000 cannot make you to be my enemy. If you like, go and insult me. Call me fake life. Call me stupid person.
See my God, not fake life be. You know saying a fake life where you they live. You they tell people make it. Of course. If you like, call me fake life. So I go to know fake life be. So if you go to know what you fake life already. Because you know that you a fake life. You live a life of a deceit. You deceive people by your fake utterances, your fake life, your fake making mouth. You are a fake bastard. A fake life really live. Look at you. The man or the woman where you borrow money, no one's wrong preaching. Ego will eat any madu. I'm away go that. No
Nonsense person, call me this, call me that. I still have real love at heart for you.
Love because he joke.
God is my witness.
God, honor the God.
I don't think that any amount of insult coming from you can change it. You cannot. You can never. So I'm sorry if you feel that I ignore your call.
Oh, you know with them on.
Respond to you.
Look at those I'm already with them on. You can't pay 100,000. You cannot pay 100,000. You can't pay come on 100,000. You know with Ogechi on. Woo! Mwana enye half a million, ne 1 million. Nyen na ni mo ne build kine with on. Mwa. Get your done suffer. Whew.
This and that.
Sometimes
the way you fix the request got me panic. Mostly if I don't have it at that moment to give you.
The 100,000 million preach gospel in my she and order. 100,000 million you start preaching gospel where you know sabi. Gospel where you don't know. God, I love you. You know how much I love you. This is whoa, bogey. The guy, no, the person no one here with an whoa, bogey. Pay your money. Hungry chaff. If you like, you started by defensive move. If you like, go to social media and we are not even talking about in millions. I say, okay, here we go balite. Come on, 100,000. 100,000. 100,000. See you. I'm going to make it people and who the remaining dead of your body. I may make it your remaining dead of your being.
Because lately I'm having some challenges. Ups and downs.
Excuse me, did I hear that I'm having some challenges? Here and up and down. So, to an extent, the challenges in 100,000 when the challenges are big. Easy, biggie. Challenges to lowest of it all 100,000. The king in Dubai, the OG, the bruta, the master of it all, the king. Problem will get that challenges that you're changing. To an extent, you cannot solve a green sooner for someone. 100,000. Okay, oh yeah. Otila, instead of you seeing me becoming too much, oh yeah. Otila, 0.
I got China visa supposed to travel since, but I've not.
Yeah?
But anyways, by the way.
In the room, I want a China visa, but then we get. Hey, Ogechi Facebook got Mariala go. Did you hear?
Because you're sounding like you are the worst person that know me. The way you're just sounding now.
Eh?
I will not say I do not believe it. I will not say I believe it. All I'm saying is that something motivates you to do that, and something motivates you to speak to me in that manner. But all the same, I'm still your brother.
Yeah?
And you're still my sister, whom I love so much.
Hey!
God bless you and protect you and your family. And forget, I love you so much.
I can pay your money. Pay your money. When she was borrowing you this thing, she did not sing all this sermon. She did not tell you all this. Why are you paying? Oh, this man is irritating. No, good.
You're stupid. Sometimes I keep quiet. You should try to understand that when we go at this man is I'm not that.
But he put her name on Facebook. So when I kiss you, not if I don't man. But you came out, name on no. Maybe she put a bike and pokro bike. You will get on them will be get your BMW mapa my elu where he have buy improvement. Onyeki ne fake Onyeki ne bugarafo. Onyeki ne bugarafo. Achon ko wani ne mana that enwe he no gnike. That only me pay me am egi tam me wonya woge. Now go kija babaga all this big denomination see me. I go to get 1 or 2 naira. Na she ana who go to la. Ewe ho nya woge na go from one corner to one corner. No hija a pet like a lost cow or sorry like a lost fly. Ewe no gini me. Ago is what's making you to run into all these big denominators. Ewe no gini me. Icho gonye gegi begi ja pamoto ina ebore na Zion begi jala nke ijiri you bought evidence plenty you guys only went to Zion for now on a selfish interest unu gegenite unu kuru ba dia unu like ko ga nata wom kinara shiake gi. But I did a smart and I only people who come who can't start before her banner church. They know very well. Look at the good know 100,000 key will preach and we put the voice note he preaching. Pay a young lady by ballet and nega cambation and 100,000. See your life empty. Because on your wall, this man in here, like call a fake story in Donako. Don't listen to him. I go na ha kubuya. Come on, get the fuck out of here. Your closest in negi. To know a big criminal, or get Batayan, gay layer. Oh, on your she. Or Gapa open and Zion again. That is the end of. That's what the Zion and I told my on outside. He will never come close. Those folks story all tell in the garden ogano over the Koga cross on a gates. He's a criminal. That's what he is.
But anything you want to label me, that's no problem.
But
one thing I'll tell you for sure is this: I'm not an evil man. Even if I am, not to someone that I took to heart. I took like a sister. I took close blood. Like I can even put you on my business Facebook. I mean, I know what it means to put in somebody you don't have 100% trust for. You know. But that's not the thing. But at least the thing is, I understand.
Now, so in English, and I
can't misunderstand some silent thing, but sometimes try to calm down. Somewhere.
No, Boggy. Na lie yo. Onyo wola. Gene na log egbe na ewu nwanna Agugbola onye ha kubuo go were onye ike kubuo gi. Because this man don't cast. You no get no name to secure you. He will call anybody. Gene na log e mention ko Agugbola le kwagi le kwa omuge. He don't cast, money no get, connection in no get, nothing, spiritual power zero. Everything about him don't die. No, just listen to all this rap. Everything na fake. Na fake. If you like, go for this criminal. Woo! Na coding so.
But that does not mean that I do not have that greatness mind for you, you know, as my blood and as my person. How are you doing? Happy New Year. They didn't even talk to me since they kidnapped my son.
Hey, man. Get one another latest codings. Na obiara. This person nagide ego. Oma ihe oge ikwu oma ihe oge ikwu actually kidnap nwa because and when make kidnap nwa onye oshia nyawo just to make this person hapụrụ ego a. Just to make this person hapụrụ ego a. O gbariala elu gbariala enukwala if you can use your son for 100,000. Hey. Okay. So, to an extent, you reduce your own blood for kidnapping your own blood to 100,000. Hey! So, this is how low and how cheap you can get to. Hey! No. Gaibidishi. Genting.
How are you doing? Happy New Year. They didn't even talk to me since they kidnapped my son. They didn't even say, let me check this, my friend, and know how he's doing, if they have seen his son or not. Then they kidnapped my son in December. But took us a lot of... I said, what's up with you? I want to talk to you.
Hey!
My daughter, what's up? I don't know. I'm trying to ratify it. I don't know what is wrong with it. I was on call. You know, I went to Koto.
Hey! Now, you
wiping my messages with you, the conversation with you, and you're sending my number to one little rat to call me. Say that he's a blogger. Is it not stupidity? A very big stupidity now, don't you think so? Number one, I'm capable enough to seal the Facebook.
Hey!
Seal and block the guy Facebook.
Now, you know what pay me my money? I carry my go meet a man on Blue app. Say, please, help this man, beg, get my 100,000. I can't tell you. Say, please, you get one man where I say make him collect the money from you. The man can't call you. You know, say I not call you. Calling you is just he burn my data. He degrade my person to call a beggar, a wretched idiot like you. I make no see tomorrow. Now, the man called you respectedly. Shegile kwenye buterem complain. They be the threat when he get silu. Facebook with the man. Nigga, I shut the page down. That's the same threat you made to me that you will shut me down, you will seal me, you will close me, you will end me. Exactly what the threats. This is exactly the threat. Everywhere you start threatening. Gapu wiji. And I hate threatening, don't matter me threatening. He threatening me, I can get worse. Get back, me know how far. Try threatening me. Ya can get worse, so. A man contacted you peacefully with Obioma. With Obi. My number, because we didn't have a number. Even information, what all of them now, Ashim did the biggest mistake he made. We built my picture. Be made this man shit. Oh, he made that was the last day. Onyo Ju Bobamu. Oga Kugia. He must pay. Buterem evidence. Evidence. Kaijaka. You start threatening someone. It will just show you. Game threat this idiot.
You check how many people I have blocked on Facebook.
Number
2, you hate somebody. It's not a reason for me to hate the person. That you do not like somebody, it's not a reason for me to hate that person. You would have go on and tell them the relationship you have with me. You tell them what that you and I have, than to go on and be telling them nonsense, this and that. And
so, because in Arawan you auto, what did I tell you guys? Nanti beg. Ogechi Okeke ya birichu na ego ekuzu ya war problem. I no tell you now. This is what they do. Before this set made way by my bahone ya. Oh, you also got capitalize here. So na go to ye brig ego. Oga she's oge na play. Kwena ko jishi, oji wa yo na play. To make sure ko progress at the game, Kishi okay mbano. Kidnap go. You're facing some challenges, so and when would this story oji hubia? Because gonna when 1 or 2 in common. Be very careful. You know working that. Ndane bukane meka nya na eme uka ha ban ndị ha because some why believe in ha no na nko na ha huru na ntị yep ha na dey believe in ha huru na nyo nwoke ga no na call say that 50 containers na batata ego ne ka say the no bo onokwa na side na ego nya akwa because the man chọrọ ime ya coding se pia ya hu n'ishi o nwere ke gwenyi ya nwoke shigbara amara kpọ ọmụ ka m tinye gị na speaker enwere nwa nchọrọ ịgbado hia na watago ya mara kpọ ya ya si Okechukwu ka ị na-akpọrọ m na ọ dịkwa na mma ya tinye na speaker ya si ọ ga-ada 50 containers abatakwala ndị ego anyị isi nkwunye na akaụntụ 300 million ajọsị nkwunye ya na everything went clear send gokwara ngị receipt check ya na WhatsApp gana anụ their conversation because ama na ụmụ nwaanyị ihe ọ na ha nụrụ na ntị kam ha na eche mgbe ha hụrụ n'anya because some of them are money mongers. They are easily to be deceived. What I go 100 million ọ ga-akwụnyere m 10 million anyị shi ga-akwụnyere m ya kishi check ya na ma kwụnyego ya ya nụ nga ahụ gbagị ya. That is the kind of this hopeless man. Ori kparakpara ekwu arụ Ori empty down so ekwu arụ with this hopeless man. Oh, we help brainwash got all these women. I will be the child. Business men something just happened. Because you go to 100,000, you get tomorrow. That is how it starts. That is how it normally starts. So women are mugus when it comes to brainwash their brain. Make yourself that one all these men are gay smell. Okay, before I help you down 20. You will not fall into their trap. Until they put a good in on name. They listen.
He owe you 100,000, you do this, you do that. Is it not stupidity? Forward me your account. Then you will now hear my own news, explanations of the news. Now this one is your own side. You and your little rat blogger. And I heard that you share my phone number too. Yeah. You will not hear from the master himself. You don't need to worry yourself. All this noise you're making. You know, if I start with you.
If they sit right.
If I start with you, I don't know how to talk to all this nonsense.
If they sit right.
You're a very small cola nut. You don't know me.
In area.
You don't know me.
In a threat.
You don't know me, right?
Oh, yeah, Jim, 100,000.
You know I don't like talking too much. But keep telling the guy to post more pictures. The one he's posting is nothing. I heard you pay somebody to post me. These are cheap people, man. Get expensive people to post me. Yeah, get them to post me. By the time you start narrating, don't worry, I have your pictures. You would have given him your picture now, so let them see who is complaining. So they will see the person that is complaining about me. You don't know me, right? No, go ahead and do your distance. I borrow your money. I do this. I do that. I beg your relationship. All this nonsense statement, you should record it and give to them to post. I don't blame you. Just start talking. Keep talking. One single lesson is what I will teach you. Just keep making news. I need to see more of the video, more of the comments. Okay, bring more video, more complaint. Give to the guy more and more. One post from me. If you're working in any office in America, you are holding anything in your village, or your people are related to anything in the village, only one post from me will cripple everything down. Just one post from me. You're looking for somebody to blackmail you, to blackmail me, that I'm owing you 100,000. You borrow me 100,000. Don't worry.
In no threats.
I'm up. I'm waiting.
In no threats.
Do more and more, okay?
In no threats.
You are giving the guy your pictures now, so people will see the person they are talking about.
In no
So
threats.
by the time I will post my own picture, so you'll be more promotion for you.
You know what I mean?
To be a promotion for you, right?
I'm not telling
you.
you.
You will regret this promotion.
I'm not telling you now.
See this promotion I'm about to do for you. You will hate that advert.
Okay?
You will hate yourself to even move on the road.
You know what I
Don't
mean?
worry.
Blackmailers.
I've told you, send me your account to account that has your name. Send me your account. You want post video, right? Send me your account.
You know what I mean? If they hear them, please, ma, send for me. You know what I mean? And I know the threat. On a mega nana on a mega. I not tell you. No, Gila, how you look very surprising. Maybe I'll better to you because you don't look that presentable. So ya post so picture, get post so people will not. You don't own a gay bay you don't look presentable. Now I got surprised again. Maybe you take good age. Now I take advantage of this condition. Maybe you didn't hear it well. Let me replay that one. Get in.
You don't need to worry yourself. All this noise you're making. You know, if I start with you, I don't know how to talk to all this nonsense you're talking. You're a very small cola nut. You don't know me. You don't know me.
We don't know you.
You don't know me, right?
No, we don't.
You know I don't like talking too much. But keep telling the guy to post more pictures. The one he's posting is nothing. I heard you pay somebody to post me. These are cheap people, man. Get expensive people to post me. Yeah, get them to post me. By the time you start narrating, don't worry, I have your pictures. You would have given him your picture now, so let them see who is complaining. So they will see the person that is complaining about me. You don't know me, right? No, go ahead and do your distance. I borrow your money. I do this. I do that. I beg your relationship. All this nonsense statement, you should record it and give to them to post. I don't blame you. Just start talking. Keep talking.
Inuruya Obidoro Bay. Because someone is tall like when he came in on America and I told the guy always tall, handsome man. Oh, I like this kind of man. I'm single, I just had a kids with some babies, you know, but I'm not living with them. Because someone, number one, the way you look, oh my god. Oh my god. This is my dream man. He goes for people he will intimidate. People he will use because one thing or another, maybe things didn't work away. You use your advantage. Why didn't you go ahead and post your picture back in the day? What have that got to do with you owing someone on America? And all this in bleaching cream. no China, London, US. Oh, I'm gonna give one a comment section. How they frustrated when Ogechi yana dia kuro. You know, Ogechi na dia kuro. Ogechi ku about dia. They get frustrated. You may omshumalo la di. Ogechi be the conda problem because we get what I actually ibu dia here. I want to tap a channel these things. You want to go? You see, a lot of you guys are battling with this kind of problem, but you can't talk because number one, you don't marry first, you don't throw one. Marry second, you don't throw one. You don't want to talk. You can't be a player like this, and you don't tell them about your story. That's okay. Now my better targets. I go use your story now. Email piam. When you record the channel, get pack ya. Get na ya bo chancha ye. Get in again. And I be a. Why would the channel any na je na loge? How be brigade go? They go come borrow money from you. I bring hana get the ego. When you shigi me ba shigi le pa o. Okay, my half le pa o. If go get boost up, they see what did I go to with one fake account? Gabarema. Oh, did this kind of demons? Imagine the threat. Imagine Ojo your man bro. Na rap. The lady is not buying the idea. The lady was not buying the idea. Now you're busy in another format. Busy in another format. Bido body shaming. Bido in Urakede. You guys will keep falling. You guys will keep disgracing on ourselves. We're gonna keep the disgrace. Now yeah, we day.
One single lesson is what I will teach you.
In Ania.
Don't skip me.
Up on your video.
See more of the video, more of the comments. Okay, bring more video, more complaint. Give to the guy more and more. One post from me. One post from me. If you're working in any office in America,
hey,
you are holding anything in your village, or your people are related to anything in the village, only one post from me will cripple everything down. Just one post from me. You're looking for somebody to blackmail you, to blackmail me that I'm owing you 100,000. You borrow me 100,000. Don't worry. I'm up. I'm waiting.
Hey.
Do more and more, okay? You are giving the guy your pictures now, so people will see the person they are talking about. So by the time I will post my own picture, so you'll be more promotion for you. To be a promotion for you, right? But you will regret this promotion. See this promotion I'm about to do for you, you will hate that advert. You will hate yourself to even move on the road. Don't worry. I've told you, send me your account to account that has your name. Send me your account. You want post video, right?
Inania.
Send me your account.
You want post video, right? Who knows send the account for? No ga because of him again, you want post video, right? You want post video, right? Send me the account. Did you understand what is going on? Did you understand what is really going on? Nkita now I don't even do the worse than here the lady me. I'm in America. Actually, I made that thing he gave me. A patient with the OG, ni the time don't come. Saga me segagele. When we came up one day in a week, KJ Parker were 5 days in that week. What I go? Okay, dear way. Guys, and when I'm on to catch up, I will see you guys some other time. Take good care of yourself. Bye for now.